The MAN TGS Euro 6 is a heavy-duty truck that meets and exceeds the strict Euro 6 emission standards while delivering powerful performance, optimal fuel efficiency, and enhanced driver comfort. It is a reliable and versatile choice for businesses seeking a sustainable and high-performing trucking solution. The Volvo FH 12 2x4 is a reliable and powerful heavy-duty truck that offers exceptional performance, safety, and comfort. It is a popular choice among long-haul truckers and industries requiring a dependable and efficient transportation solution. This serious accident could result in serious injury and damage to the driver of the Volvo FH 12 2x4, as the separation of the cab from the main body of the vehicle protects the driver in an emergency collision. Without a cab, the driver is left without proper protection in the event of an accident, which can lead to serious consequences. This accident is most likely caused by a significant impact force between both cars, possibly as a result of improper control of the vehicles or unforeseen circumstances on the road. Such accidents highlight the importance of obeying the rules of the road and proper maintenance of vehicles. Also, it highlights the need for regular inspection and maintenance of vehicles to avoid such dangerous situations. It is important that drivers carry out all necessary checks and ensure that their vehicles are properly maintained to ensure the safety of both themselves and other road users.